tariffs may now be hitting your next gaming purchase. Microsoft has announced a sharp increase in prices for its Xbox consoles in select games, citing market conditions and rising development costs. In the United States, the entry-level Xbox Series S will now cost $379.99, up from $299.99. That's a 27% jump. The premium Series X Galaxy model saw a 22% hike. These changes come nearly 5 years after the launch of the Series S and X, which have together sold around 30 million units globally. Microsoft says the move was made after careful consideration of the changing economic landscape. It's not just the hardware. Prices for some new games from Microsoft-owned studios saw a 14% increase. The hike isn't limited to the US. In Europe, the Xbox Series S will now retail for €349.99, up 17% from its previous price. Microsoft's announcement comes shortly after Sony raised prices for its PlayStation 5 models in select markets, including Europe. However, Sony chose to exclude the US, highlighting regional market differences. Together, both tech giants are adjusting to higher development costs and tighter global supply conditions. While Microsoft hasn't named it directly, a major force behind the price hike is the impact of US tariffs, particularly those placed on Chinese-made goods. Xbox consoles are primarily assembled in China, a country now facing up to 145% tariffs on various products, categories under US trade policy. These tariffs, introduced during the Trump administration, continue to weigh on the electronics and gaming sectors as production costs rise and tariffs squeeze margins. Console makers like Microsoft are increasingly passing those costs on to consumers.
For joining us for
latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.